Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make Gamepass or how to create Gamepass on Roblox. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com on your mobile in any browser, and you have to log in before entering into or before into a Roblox server. You just tap on continue in browser. So the login page will appear after this, but since I have already logged in, so it will take me to the home page of the roblox.com. So now if you want to create game pass, then you have to tap on create tab. So this create tab will take us to the creator tab. Oh, so now it will say that it only works on Windows and Mac. So to use it on your mobile, you have to enable the desktop version. So desktop mode, just tap on it. Now we can access this creator studio. So now we have to tap on this image. You can see this image you have to tap on it. Now you have to tap on this menu option on the top. Can you see it? This option. Fine. Tap on it. Now you have to tap on this option, associate items. Fine. Just tap on it. Now you will see different options here, different tabs, badges, passes, and developer product. And obviously you have to go to passes tab to create game pass. When you tap on it, your game pass will be listed here. So if you want to create game pass, you have to tap on create a pass. Now the simple steps are to make game pass. Just upload the image, enter the name of the game pass, enter the description, and tap on create pass. But guys, if you want to configure it, it's a different process. uh, After the new update, the configure option is not next to the newly created game pass. You have to go manually. So how will you do that? So you have to first of all upload the image. First of all, once we have to create game pass, then I'll show you how to configure it. So choose the image that you want to upload. So I'm going to choose any sample image from here. So let's upload this image. Now you have to enter the name of the image, name of the game pass. So I will type as testing. Fine. Now it's up to you to enter the gate description, but it is not required. So you can leave it as empty, and now you have to tap on create pass option to create game pass. So once the game pass has been created, now you can see that its image is not visible right now. So right now the game Roblox server is reviewing your image, and you can see that it's set as an off sale. So you have to set it up for the sale, and you have to set the price of it. Like you can see that I have different game passes, and it has labeled as different set prices. So if you want to set price of the newly created game pass, then you have to configure it. To configure it, you have to tap on the game pass. Now you have to go to menu option and tap on sale option. Now you have to tap on you have to enable the item for sales. So you just need to tap on toggle button and enter the price in Robux. So you can set any price. So I'm gonna set it as 50 Robux. So you will get 70% of it. So creators earning will be 70% out of 100. So now you have to tap on save changes. So when you tap on save changes, and your game pass has been configured successfully for the sales, now you just need to add this game pass on please donate. So let's do that. So once you created your game pass, now you have to set you have to add this Game Pass as a donation button in a please donate. So let's open the please donate and let's do that the rest of the things. So now guys, it's time to add our Game Pass to please donate. So you just need to look for any empty stand here. So you can see that this stand is empty. So to set up for your stand, set up stand for the donation, you have to hold this stand button and your Game Pass will be listed here. So you can see that I have created lots of Game Pass and all the Game Pass will be listed here. So if someone purchase your any of the Game Pass, so it will be work as a donation button here. So if anyone tap on it, so he will be able to easily easily purchase any of the Game Pass. So you will get the 70% out of that Game Pass price. So that's how it works. So that's how you can add it. Hope you understood, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.